Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you're watching from. Welcome to today's video where I have a Lululemon try-on haul for you guys. Also have a robot vacuum, which honestly, you know I'm getting old when this excites me. Like, I am so excited. I cannot wait to tell you guys about the OKP robot vacuum. And since my birthday is coming up, I also do have a Lululemon giveaway happening right now. So make sure you stick around to hear the details for that, see what I got, and hear about my new favorite vacuum ever. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm not even kidding when I say how excited I am about this robot vacuum. I have wanted one for so long and they can be a little pricey, and I honestly just never knew if it was worth it or not. So when OKP reached out to me and offered me their K5 vacuum, of course I said yes, and I just got it in and I am so obsessed with it. Like, I can't even tell you. I've raved about it to my boyfriend, my parents, and my boyfriend's mom. Like, this is the best thing ever. This is the K5 Pro vacuum. This is what the box looks like. It looks a little light because it is already out of the box, but it comes like this. It has a little bit of detail of the vacuum on the side. Very nice size. And this is the K5 Pro. I am obsessed with it. Like, seriously, so obsessed. I didn't think I would be as excited for this as I am. It is a little pricey. However, not only is this a great product, I also have a promo code for you guys, making it a very great price. I know this is sponsored, but trust me, like, I'm just that excited. It makes cleaning so easy. There's a lot of different flexible cleaning options. Battery life is great. Even the size of this, it is a little bit bigger, but honestly, it is a great size. It also has an app that you can control it from your phone, and it also has voice activation as well. The app is super easy to pair. It also has functions like cleaning time, battery percentage, cleaning area, smart. So if you have an Alexa, you can also put it in there. It tells you the battery when it's charging, you can control it on and off, and a bunch of cool things. And honestly, this vacuum, like, I kid you guys not, it saves me so much time. As you can see, it already has 2 little brushes that I put on. It does also come with 2 extra ones in the box for you, as well as an additional filter, which I'll show you where that goes. Sucks everything right through here. Also has little wheels that it does not fall down the stairs either. I tested it. I was a little nervous to test it by itself, but I put it near the steps, and this just helps sense that there is stairs so it doesn't fall off. I didn't even program it that way. It literally just sensed it by itself. But moving on to the front, so after the vacuum sucks everything, you just open it up like here, and you will see this is where everything is carried and stored. Super easy to take out and even easier to clean, because all you have to do, pop this out. This is the filter, so again, it does come with an additional filter as well if you want to clean it, change it. Super easy, and then you just pop it back in. I'm gonna open it this way because I don't want everything to fall on my bed, but yeah, that's gross, all the dust and everything. Don't know if I want to show you guys that, but you just pop it open and it's there. And they do say to clean it out every 3 days. However, I suggest just taking a peek after you run it to see how dirty the floor is and just cleaning as needed. And also, battery life is really great, and to charge it, the charging dock is the perfect size just to sneak in a little corner. So this is it. You just attach it here, and once it attaches, it does light up to let you know that it's charging it. And from the app, you are able to see the battery life, how it's doing, how much more time it needs, and all of that. And they also have one that is a vacuum and a mop. So this is just the vacuum one. However, I really want the mop one. Maybe they'll send it to me. Fingers crossed. We'll see if that happens. They do have other ones on their website. Highly recommend going to check that out. I will have them linked in the description. You can also find them on Amazon. So I'm going to have an Amazon link as well. Get it directly from their website and use my coupon code, or you can go to Amazon as well and purchase that through there. But shout out to OKP for sending this over. Like, I literally didn't think a vacuum would get me as excited as this one does, and that's how you know I'm getting older, which, like I said, every year for my birthday I like to do a giveaway. Let me show you what I got, and then we'll get into some giveaway details. But moving on to Lululemon and what I got. Starting off, I went to the store because I dropped off a pair of my Align leggings that I needed to get hemmed, that I just wanted to make into shorts. Also, if you don't know, I am doing a $10,000 Lululemon collection video where I show you my entire Lululemon collection, so make sure you stick around for that. But This is the main reason I went to the store. I got these in the leggings, but I really wanted the short version of them. I think I'll get a lot more wear as shorts, so these are them. I believe this color is dark lavender, and they were 25-inch leggings. I just got them hemmed to be 5-inch. If your gear qualifies for complimentary hemming, they can just go ahead and hem that. Super easy. I think it only took like 3 business days to the location that I dropped it off, but that varies depending from store to store. While I was there, I got the viral Lululemon Align skirt. You know I had to try this ASAP. This is like their mini skirt. I got it in a size 2 and I really like this. I think it's so cute. Has built-in shorts at the bottom, so although it does look mini, you'll see in the try on it looks teeny tiny. It has built-in shorts. It still has that extra coverage underneath, so I personally love this. I do get all my lines in a size 2, so I would say stay true to size. I know some people were also saying size down, but I don't think I would be comfortable wearing a size 0, so I'm sticking to my regular size 2 and I really liked it. So this is it. It is still available online, but I think sizes are limited at the moment, but I do also believe they will restock because of how popular that is, so keep your eye out for that. And then 2 things that I bought online that I wanted to love and I was so excited for them, but they both disappointed me in their own way, which that usually never happens, so I'm kind of disappointed about this because one of them I'm bringing to France with me and I need to go to the store to do something to it. So let's start off with that one, this insulated jacket, which if this looks familiar, it's because it is. I actually bought this like a month ago in a size 2 at my local Lululemon because I saw it on markdown, while this one was still at regular price on the website, but it was a little bit too small. I wanted to see how the 4 would compare to it. Went on markdown on Thursday, so I went and picked that up. This is the soft matte insulated crop jacket. It is retailed originally for $228, but it was on markdown for $189, which pretty good price. Jacket overall I really like. It's very lightweight, but it's insulated, so it does give you that nice warmth that you need without being like a crazy winter jacket type jacket, and I do like how cropped it is. So this is the size 4. I like it. I'm going to be bringing this one with me. However, this was clearly shipped from a store. As soon as I got it, ripped it out of the bag, super excited to try it on, put my hands in the pocket, and what do I feel? A security tag. Just my luck, it happened to me, so I'm gonna go to the store to get this removed. I would cut it, but it's gonna ruin the inside of the pocket, hopefully before I go on vacation. If not, I'm gonna have to leave it because I'm not just gonna get on a plane with a security tag and be like that on my trip. So I'm gonna have to do that, but I also need to go to the store to return this. This is the License to Train high-rise pant. I was so excited about this. I've been wanting to try this. I can't even show you guys because this wouldn't even fit over the top of my thighs through like my butt area. It's just not happening. I've never had that happen before. This is my regular size 2. I've even sized down to like 0 in Lululemon things before. This one just not happening. I don't know what's up with these pants, but for me to pull it over, I would have to potentially rip one of the inside seams, and I don't want that. Like, it doesn't slide on very nicely. It just like gets stuck, and I would have to like stretch it a lot, and I'm a little nervous to do that. So best bet, I'm just going to return these. I forgot the color code of this, but I will have it on the screen for you guys. This was originally $138, got in a size 2 as I mentioned. I would definitely have... Are you kidding? Oh my gosh, guys, I didn't even put this over me last time because it didn't get through, but now that I'm holding it... Are you kidding? Either way, I'm gonna have to return these, but like that is so annoying. Lululemon needs to get their ish together at the store because what is that? Other than that, the material is great. However, I'm currently obsessing over their cargo joggers. Highly recommend those ones over this one. They're a little more pricey, yes, but trust me, so much better. But I do have a $100 Lululemon giveaway starting right now in this video right here. So to enter is gonna be super simple. It's gonna go on for a month. My birthday is not until May 31st, which is little over a month, but I will be traveling in and out of the country for a while. So as you're seeing this, I'm actually in France. So if you're not following my Instagram, definitely go follow that and also subscribe because I will have vlogs. But first things first, contest is going to run right now as this video is going live until May 17th is going to be the last day to enter, and then the following week is when I will announce the giveaway. It is open internationally. It will be an electronic gift card in whatever currency where you live, starting right now from this video to the following videos that I will post up until until May 17th. You're just gonna go ahead and interact with me in the comments. Sometimes I might ask a specific question that I'm curious and you guys will have to answer. For today's video, what I want you guys to answer is, at one point did you stop and think to yourself, I'm getting old? Because that seriously happened to me when I got this robot vacuum, and how excited I am. Like, I literally thought, wow, I'm getting old because a vacuum excites me so much. So drop down in the comments if you had one of those moments yet where you're like, wow, I'm getting old, or something that surprised you, that excited you, that you never thought would excite you as much as it did. Sometimes I won't have questions in video, so make sure you're just watching the video and let me know something from that video. What did you like? Was there something that I tried that maybe you've never tried before? Is there a piece of clothing that I showed that you really like? So keep that in mind. When May 17 rolls around, I'm just gonna randomly go through the videos from now until then, and I'm just gonna select a random video, and then from there select a random comment. So make sure you are sticking around, have your notifications turned on so you're notified every time that I post. You can enter as many times as you want per video. It will increase your chances of getting picked in case that video is selected, so keep that in mind. And I just really am so happy for each and every single one of you. For everybody that just sits and watches my video, I truly appreciate it so much. So good luck to everyone. You have a little bit over a month to win a Lululemon $100 gift card. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!